Okay.
So here's what I'm thinking, right? Here's our building.
Yep.
It looks like a building. And here's our front door that you missed, that you couldn't walk through. And then
Yep.
here's this is the road, right? That's the road.
Yep.
And then at the end of the road, there's this orange house. You see that orange house over there? Don't go to it. What are you doing? Get away from it. Look, it like has something disgusting on the side. It's like growing mold. Oh my god, get out of my face, man.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm thinking,
Yep.
just erase it all.
Ow!
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, okay, so here's what I was thinking.
Yep.
Guess the it's a little bit of Pictionary. Guess this thing. It's so easy.
Me spiraling into despair. Cinnamon bun. Pancake. Duck. Sonic the Hedgehog. Tomato Town. Toontown. Turnip Boy, the stupid fucking idiot. Jigglypuff, Clefairy.
Yay! Yigglypuff. Okay, look at that. Okay. Okay, listen, we have to get serious.
Yep.
This is serious business. I'm talking about the... I looked away for a second. How does this... I'm talking about the orange building. The orange How are you drawing from over there? What are you doing? You don't even have a marker. That's crazy. Okay, so what I was thinking, right?
Yep.
Orange building. Kind of looks like a pineapple. Like from SpongeBob. Where'd you go? Wait, are you? What are you doing out there?
Yep.
Is that you? Oh, that is you. Jesus Christ, you're staring at me. It's like terrifying.
Yep.
Okay, yeah.
Look at the whiteboard.
Dude. How are you doing that? Oh my god, that's perfect.